Welcome to the Global Yard. Today, we're taking you on an unforgettable journey through Portugal, a country celebrated for its stunning coastline, rich history, and vibrant culture. Whether you're drawn to historic cities, breathtaking landscapes, or delectable cuisine, Portugal has something special for everyone. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 cities you must visit, each offering a unique blend of local attractions, accommodation options, transportation tips, culinary delights, safety advice, and the best times to visit. Let's start with the captivating capital, Lisbon. This city is a perfect mix of old-world charm and modern vibrancy. Wander through the historic district of Alfama with its narrow streets and traditional fado music, or visit the iconic Belém Tower and Jerónimo's Monastery. Staying in neighborhoods like Baixa, Chiado, or Bairro Alto will put you close to the action, with plenty of boutique hotels and charming guest houses. Getting around is easy with the city's efficient tram, bus, and metro systems, but don't miss the chance to ride the iconic Tram 28. Savor local dishes such as bacalhau à brás, salted cod, and pastéis de nata, custard tarts. Lisbon is generally safe, but as with any major city, be aware of your surroundings, especially in crowded tourist areas. The best time to visit is from March to May or September to October when the weather is pleasant, and the city is less crowded. Next, we head to Porto, a city famous for its port wine and stunning riverside views. The Ribeira district, with its colorful buildings and vibrant atmosphere, is a must-see. Don't miss the Dom Luisi Bridge and the Livraria Lello, one of the world's most beautiful bookstores. For accommodation, consider staying in Ribeira or Bolheo, which offer a range of boutique hotels and budget options. Porto's public transport includes trams, buses, and a metro system that makes it easy to explore. Enjoy local dishes like francesinha, a hearty sandwich covered in melted cheese and rich sauce. Porto is a safe city, but avoid poorly lit areas at night. The ideal times to visit are late spring or early autumn, avoiding the peak tourist season while still enjoying good weather. Our journey continues to Sintra, a fairy tale town located just a short train ride from Lisbon. Sintra is renowned for its palaces and gardens, including the colorful Pena Palace and the mystical Quinta de Ribeira. For a memorable stay, choose accommodations in the town center or near the national park. Sintra's local buses are the best way to get around, especially the 434 tourist circuit. Enjoy traditional pastries like travesseiros and queijadas while soaking in the town's magical atmosphere. Sintra is very safe for tourists, but the hilly terrain requires comfortable walking shoes. Visit in the spring or early autumn for mild weather and fewer crowds. Next up is Coimbra, home to one of Europe's oldest universities. The University of Coimbra, with its stunning Joanina Library, is a must-visit. Wander through the historic city center and explore the beautiful botanical garden. For accommodations, the city center offers a variety of options, from budget hostels to charming hotels. Coimbra is well connected by buses and a small metro system, making it easy to navigate. Savor local dishes like chanfana, goat stew, and the sweet pastéis de Santa Clara. Coimbra is a safe city, but as with any destination, stay vigilant in crowded areas. The best time to visit is in May or June when the weather is pleasant, and the city comes alive with student festivals. Finally, we reach Faro, the gateway to the stunning Algarve region. Faro's old town, with its cobbled streets and Arco de Vila Gate, is a delight to explore. The city is also a great base for exploring the nearby Ria Formosa Natural Park. Stay in the old town or near the marina for the best experience. Faro has a reliable bus system, and taxis are readily available. Seafood lovers will enjoy dishes like cataplana and grilled sardines. Faro is generally safe, but always be cautious in unfamiliar areas, especially at night. The best times to visit are in the spring or late autumn when the weather is warm and the beaches are less crowded. We hope this guide helps you plan an unforgettable trip to Portugal. Each city offers a unique experience, rich with history, culture, and culinary delights. Have you been to any of these cities, or are you planning a trip? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to the Global Yard and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest travel guides and tips. See you in the next video. Happy travels!